welcome back. And I would say I finally caved, but I didn't finally cave. The other half caved and got me the Adventures with Luigi starter course. Can I just admit, I want it for the pink Yoshi. Cute is that? But yeah, so we now have the Luigi to go with good old Mario. They're a really weird box shape, and the first time I got one of these, the Mario one, I completely wrecked the box, but I know what I'm doing now. So it goes through all here, so music and sound, brick and colour recognition, press on to play, connect together apparently, and some of the other bits and bobs that you get in the set, all in this weird thing. And your one-to-one is your Luigi figure, which is a really bad one-to-one, although if you've got the Mario you understand. And it tells you that you get a question block, a bone Goomba, a pink Yoshi, a boom boom, start pipe and flag. Apologies for the big white sticker, it's come from Tesco. You do need 2 AAAs, which don't come with it. You'd think it will come with it, wouldn't you? Because this little beast is 50 quid. So I've opened it up. So it's Adventures with Luigi starter course. Set number is 71387. Retails in the UK for £49.99. 280 pieces. That's 18 pence per piece. Open it all up. See, if you open it properly, it's nice and easy. Oh, a bit out. There we go. Put that to one side. So, what do we have? We have so 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm guessing this little box is the Luigi. Sure enough, it's the Luigi with a horrible little screw at the back to get to the battery compartment. But I'm prepared for that. I do have equipment. It comes with a quick start guide, which to me is a waste of a booklet, and it shows you how to put your batteries in them, and then how to get the build instructions off the website, how to play. We know that, don't we? Then all the other stuff in this current wave, which is wave 3. So you've either got the Mario or the Luigi starter set. Obviously this was wave 1. Got a Sumo Bro Topple Tower, Lakitu Sky, Resno Knockdown, and the airship. That airship looks so awesome. And it goes through some of the other bits. The Series 3 Vegs, Series 3 suits, which we've already seen, and then it's got all the electronics stuff that you have to have in all the languages for the areas that they ship to. Rebuild the world, product feedback bit. But what you don't get are build instructions. Build instructions we grab online because we are not daft. So it's not a lot of pieces, but there is a bit of faffing. It's probably going to be about half an hour or so of playing about, but I will go away, get it built, and then we'll see exactly how Luigi works. We've already got a rough idea, haven't we? but what all the bits and pieces are that you're actually building with him. So that we don't need. I have got my laptop to the side of me with the building instructions ready to go in PDF format, because quite honestly doing it through the app is a pain, and it doesn't matter what device you use. If you're doing a lot of building for these, you end up running out of battery power. It happened to me, and once it'll happen again. But yeah, so I'm gonna go away, get these built, and I'll be back in a little while, show you its functionality, and let you know what I think of it. I've built all the starter set.
Lego Luigi time! Yeah! Here we go! Hello there! Hello there! Let's go!
Apparently, Luigi is number one. Yeah, seriously impressed with that. I put that really in a bad place because it kept getting caught, so I'll move that over there. So what do you get? You get Boom Boom. Brick built Boom Boom with a little, pull this back a little bit, you can see is in a little turrety castle. There you get, take him off, got a spinny bit here, got your final flagpole, got the seesaw, got 3 little platforms here, you've got Born Goomba, turn it round, that spinny bit as well. Got Pink Yoshi, which is really weird looking on the back. Pink Yoshi is odd looking on the back, to say the very least. Not very good at this, am I? There we go. You get a question block, or a surprise block, and of course you get your start pipe, which is where you have to start. So I've now got 2 start pipes. I've got the Luigi one and the Mario one. And of course you can configure this any way you want. I've just done it like this because I'm not very good at the configuring bit. That's more Shrek's thing. Pop him there, just about in shot. So yeah, Adventures with Luigi, set 71387, retails in the UK for £49.99 and has 280 pieces. You also need 2 AA batteries to operate your man. As you can see, you can play it without the app. You don't have to load the app up and connect via Bluetooth for him to operate, which is a boon, quite frankly. So if you just want to set up courses and have a bit of fun, you don't have to monitor how he's doing and all that. I would say all that jazz, but I'll get punched roundly in the head. No, it's 5-star because the Luigi is such fun. He really is funny. So yeah, 5-star all the way. Really happy with that. So thank you very much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed that video. Have a great day, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye bye. Just for devilment, record the proper building of Luigi. So and they both go in the same way around, which is bizarre. So plus to the head, negative to the bottom. Don't need you anymore. Right, so, and these are his logos. And these are his buttons. And put his hat on, and then
Lego Luigi time.
there we go. That's the Luigi, all built. The little screen is really fun. That's the deserty one. And the earthy one. You're actually kind of cuter than Mario, dude. Yeah, you blink. Do you snore? Now you see Mario would be snoring by now, right? Oh, I'm gonna have to do that again.
Lego Luigi time. Bye bye.
Oh, that is incredible. Right.